Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. C of n equals to 3,400 negative n. A manufacturing company sells a certain product for $6 per unit. The cost C of producing n units is estimated by the formula above. How many units must the company produce and sell to earn a profit of 2,200? Okay, here in the given equation, the C represents the cost and n represents the number of units. According to the question, we have to find the value of n, that is number of units, for which we have the profit $2,200. Okay, here there is an information about the selling price of the product, that is $6 per unit. That is the selling price of 1 unit of the product is $6. Okay, then how much money we will get by sales by selling n units of the product? For that, we have to multiply the number of units n and the selling price of 1 unit, that is $6. So then we get 6 yen, that is 6 times yen. Actually, the money we get through sales is called revenue. So here this 6 yen is a revenue, that is the money we get through sales. And already we have the cost function given in the question itself. Okay, if I want to get the profit, what I have to do is I have to subtract the cost from the revenue. So this is the formula we have to get the profit in a business. That is profit equals to revenue negative cost. Okay, here the profit is given in the question, that is $2,200. We can plug in this 2,200 for P over here. Okay, now let me plug in 2,200. And for revenue, already we got the stuff, that is 6 yen. And for cost, we have the stuff in the question, that is 3,400 negative n. We can plug in this one for cost over here. Then I'm getting 3,400 negative n. Okay, now in this equation, we have to solve for n, which represents the number of units the company must produce to get the profit $2,200. Okay, now let's solve for n in this equation. Okay, 2,200 equals to 6 yen. Now we can distribute this negative sign to this one and this one. Then I'm getting negative 3,400. Negative times negative will become positive yen. Okay, here 2,200 equals to, we can combine the like terms of 6 yen and positive yen. Then I'm getting 7 yen. Negative 3,400. Let me add 3,400 to both sides of this equation. Let me do it. Then we get this negative value, positive value will cancel out. When I combine the two values over here on the left side, I'm getting 5,600 equals to 7n. Let me divide both sides of this equation by 7. This 7 will cancel out. 7 goes into 7 1 times. 7 goes into 56 8 times. And we can take these two zeros. Okay, we get 800 on the left side. On the right side, we get n. So that is, the company must produce and sell 800 units to earn a profit of $2,200.